Welcome to English Guidance Class. I'm Emma, and I'm excited to have you here. Whether you're starting fresh or improve your English listening and speaking skills, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a new lesson. Today, we're going to talk about something many English learners experience. It's the frustrating gap between understanding English and being able to speak it fluently. Let's go into a real-life inspired story that just might feel a little familiar to you. Meet Alina. Alina had always been fascinated by the English language. She started learning it when she was in school. She loved reading English novels, watching English TV shows, and even listening to English podcasts. She understood most of what people said, sometimes even without subtitles. Her grammar was pretty good. She even helped her younger siblings with their English homework. But there was one thing she couldn't figure out. When it came to speaking, she just froze. At work, if someone asked her a question in English, she would panic. Her brain would suddenly go blank, even though she knew the words. She would feel nervous, her palms would get sweaty, and she'd end up saying, "Sorry, I don't speak English well," and walk away. This made Alina feel frustrated. How can I understand so much but still not speak confidently? She wondered. The truth is, this happens to a lot of learners. It's more common than you think. Listening and reading are receptive skills. You take in information. Speaking, on the other hand, is a productive skill. You create language. It requires practice, confidence, and most importantly, the ability to make mistakes without feeling ashamed. Alina realized she had spent so many years studying English, but not enough using it in real conversations. So she decided to change that. One small step at a time. First, she started speaking to herself in English while doing daily tasks, like brushing her teeth or cooking. She would say things like, "I'm making tea now," or "I need to wash the dishes." It felt silly at first, but it helped her brain get used to forming English sentences out loud. Next, she joined a free online language exchange group. It was full of learners just like her, shy but motivated. They would meet once a week and practice talking about simple topics like food, hobbies, or their favorite movies. No one judged her. Everyone made mistakes. And that made her feel safe. Slowly, she noticed a change. Her mouth didn't feel so stiff anymore when she tried to speak. Words came out more smoothly. Her sentences weren't always perfect, but they were clear. She started speaking to her boss in English during short conversations. She ordered food in English when she went out. She even made a few international friends online. But most importantly, she stopped being afraid of making mistakes. She understood that fluency doesn't mean perfect English. It means being comfortable using the language. Now, Alina shares her journey on social media to encourage others. She posts short videos in English, talks about her favorite books, and shares language tips. She still makes little mistakes, and that's totally okay. Because now she knows confidence grows with practice, not perfection. If you relate to Alina's story, remember this. You do know English. You can speak English. You just need the courage to start. Even if it's one sentence a day, say it out loud. Talk to your reflection, record yourself, join a language partner group, just speak. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. So, what did we learn from Alina? Understanding English is a great first step. Give yourself credit for that. Speaking is a skill that improves with consistent practice. Don't let fear stop you from trying. Progress comes from using English, not just studying it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If this story inspired you, let me know in the comments or leave a review. And if you want more stories like this one, be sure to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.